guys, this is Tcbfx again, and I'm on the forecast on EURUSD. A disclaimer here: if you are in any Telegram group or social media platform that does promote trading management, trade management, investment, account trading, whatever it is, I am not the guy that owns the platform. Those are probably scammers because they are using my name, they're using my avatar, and they are doing all of those things to to deceive people and take their money. Guys, if you are in that group, get away from there, because if you're not seeing this face in that Telegram group, if you're not seeing this face in that Instagram group, then that is obviously a scam, because I show my face and I have moments with my following. I have time to talk with them and just with them. So if you are not hearing my voice there, you don't see me there, then that is obviously not my Telegram group. Stay away from there and don't be scammed. My Telegram group link is in the description below, and you will get in touch with me there and you will see me there. And I always show my face and share some stuff about trading with people that are there. So that is just out of the way. And then when you're trading, if you don't know what you're doing, please learn how to trade. Do not trade your hard-earned money if you don't know how to trade. Don't try to trade when you haven't been taught and you do not understand how the market works. You will lose more money by doing so. Is a warning. Okay, now today we're looking at week 21, and we are actually on EURUSD, trying to look at what the market holds for us on daily time frame. Now, looking at the daily time frame, it's beautiful that we can see that the market has created a massive equal top there, and then it started tallying down. That means dropping after breaking that trend line to the upside. Now, what we see is that price created another multiple reaction at this bottom. So this is where we expect price to sell, because it's a sell market. Remember, I did the analysis last week and said we should be expecting more sell, and that is what is going on. So we've been seeing that the market has been selling that, but a little pullback here. Why is that pullback? The pullback happened because the market eventually break the low structure that was here. We have a structure here. Market was creating higher high, higher lows. Let me show you. Market created higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, another higher high, another higher low, another higher high, another higher low. Okay, another higher high, another higher low. And then the market created equal highs, but higher lows, and higher high again, and then eventually dropped to break the structure. And then it's been breaking the structure, broke that structure, broke this low. So what I mean by that is, if you should put a line here, major, this is the obvious one, we see that that structure was broken bodily. So we have price reacted to that zone, and then what we expect is a reasonable pullback at this level. There could be a reasonable pullback, but altogether the market is selling. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see it clearly. For those of you that do day trading, intraday trading, all right, as a day trader, let me show you what the market is looking at on the 4-hour time frame. Now we can see that the market is creating lower highs, lower lows. Okay, market is creating lower highs, lower lows, creating lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. Okay, so this is the recent low, and then another new lower high. So what we expect is a break of that structure. So we expect the market to come down and break this low. All right, so what you want to do is do this. So you put your line there, like I'm doing now, and then the previous high on the 4-hour time frame is this one. So I will just extend that box. So we see on that low there, which was structure. So we see that. Now this is what you're going to be looking at. If price breaks, okay, if price breaks above this high and take out this high, then you are going to be buying. Okay, very simple thing. What I mean by that is you want to wait for this breakup structure here on the 4-hour time frame. You want to say, now that's a lot of money there, because if you measure from price moving here to here, that's about 40-50 pips, 45 pips thereabout, which is not bad. But again, this is a good sign of break of structure as well, this first previous high and another one. So if you break this structure and it pulls back, you should start buying and making the next one your target, and the next one your target, and your next one your target. So what I mean is this previous highs becomes your target for take profit until price come back to the zone again, and then you're done for buying for the week, if that is what the market is going to give us. So if once see price goes up there, we start buying until we get there, we get out of it. So this is a setup for the buy. And for the sell, we want price to actually break the structure, because if you're not in a sell already, then you wait for price to break the structure, and then you wait for a reasonable pullback and then begin to sell. The question is, where are you going? Where are you selling to? This is the place. So we need to sell all the way down. So we need to sell, market break structure, pull back, sell, break structure, again, pull back, sell, until we get to this zone, which is 1.0500 or 5,000, 1.05,000 at this key level, and then you can expect price action to start tallying back up. But this is all picture shows that the market wants to sell. Already we can see that that structure has been tapped into. That higher low that was here has been tapped into, and we expect it to break and then continue down to this key major level. So on looking at the Euro USD, we are still obviously on a sell market. So you don't need to overthink it. Don't overwork it. Just put your trend line there. As easy as that. Monitor the trade. As soon as price break above this trend line and take out the previous high, you should be looking for buys. All right. Price push up, break out, then you're looking for buys. If price push all the way down, maintaining the trend line, pull back into it, you look for more sales, and then until you get to that key level. So let me zoom out so you can see the target for the week on Euro USD. So for the sell, we should be looking for price to target this zone. For the buy, if price break above, we need to see price target this high. So that's what you're looking at. And you want to pay attention to what the market is doing on the fundamentals. That reminds me, I didn't even share the fundamentals on the on the GBP USD. So let me show you what the fundamentals hold. We're using this opportunity on this video. Now, if you go to calendar for the week, on Monday, there is no news, which is good. The market is going to open up, and then on Tuesday, which is 23rd, we have Euro trades. We have Euro fundamentals. So the Euro pair, we have a lot of news until 9 a.m. from 8 a.m. in the morning to 9 a.m. London section. So be careful as you trade this, because if I were you, I'll wait for the New York session to trade. And even the New York section, there are news as well. But just be careful, no matter what. We have GBP having the news by 9 o'clock that same morning on Tuesday. And then the USD, we have the PMI, manufacturing PMI on USD. So the dollar is going to be trading. There's going to be fundamentals as well. So we need to pay attention to this. You must know what you're doing, okay, to trade any of this news. And then we have on Wednesday other news as well, New Zealand, and then we have CPI 7 a.m. on Wednesday morning. So I will expect everyone to wait for this CPI news to be released before trading GBP USD. And also by 10:30 a.m. there is another one, a speech from Boaz, what do you call it, Bailey is going to be speaking. And then we have that news till it is 2 p.m. Well, you know what that is. It means that we might be having an experience with shopping market next week when this one happens. So be very careful. On Friday, a few news on by 1:30 p.m. on USD. So those are the fundamentals for the week. So it looks a bit busy again in this week that we're getting in week 21. So be very careful as you trade those fundamentals. All right, guys, that's what I expect for Euro USD. It's a very simple setup. You know your trading system, how it is, how you can, but I'm just helping you to see the direction and the forecast of where the market will go on this pairs. So with this forecast, position your trading system, you know your confluences, ensure you trade wisely, and use proper risk management. I'm off right now. Thank you so much, guys. And if you're new to us, hey, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also share your thoughts in our comment section about what you think of what we're doing. And also, if you have any other pair you want us to look into, do not hesitate to let us know, especially those of you who like to trade multiple pairs. We'd like to help you see what the market is saying. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one, which is the next week of week 22. I'm going to be sharing more of what the market holds ahead of us, so you can learn how to trade easily. Bye for now, guys. Thank you so much.